My journey began 30 plus years ago, starting in accounts receivable and working my way up to CEO. Today, I lead over 180 employee owners, each committed to delivering excellence. At Standard, our service technicians don't work on quotas. They work on trust, ensuring your comfort comes first. We're proud to be locally and employee-owned with a culture built on honesty and integrity. Our commitment to the community remains strong through our apprenticeship program. This benefits everyone. It's just part of
the way we do the things we do.
Carrier, turn to the experts.